Hi everyone, it's Soraya. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be creating 4 individual coasters for a set of 1. In addition, I'm going to be talking to you about the 5 reasons why creating your own coasters is an awesome idea. Reason number 1, unleash your creativity. Designing your own coasters allows you to unleash your creativity and imagination. Whether you prefer painting, drawing, crafting, you have the freedom really to experiment with colors, with patterns, materials, to make the coasters truly represent your unique style and your personality. Reason number 2, personalized touch. Custom-made coasters add a personalized touch to your living space. You can create coasters featuring your favorite quotes or pictures of loved ones or elements that hold sentimental value to you. To me, I love creating abstract mini works of art, and I love to give them away to family and friends, and I also sell them. Reason number 3, they are cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Making your own coasters can be cost-effective alternative to buying expensive sets from stores. You can create what you want and you save your money and reduce waste, making it an environmentally friendly option. Reason number 4, it's a relaxing hobby. The process of creating something with your hands can be meditative and enjoyable. And reason number 5, they are practical and functional. Besides being aesthetically pleasing, homemade coasters serve their primary purpose, protecting your furniture from water rings and stains. As you craft coasters with materials of your choice, you can also ensure that they are durable and designed to suit your specific needs. Overall, creating your own coasters is a fantastic way to combine creativity and functionality, resulting in unique and practical pieces that add charm and personality to your living spaces. You should try it if you haven't done so already. Here they are. I absolutely love these. Absolutely gorgeous. These turned out so beautifully. Love, 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 love these. I'll show you here in just 1 second what they look like dry. I was being absent-minded and I forgot to take a dried video. Sorry about that.